Hey guys, we wanted to show you what makes our USB sockets waterproof. We use a nice rubber cap, and when you take that cap off, the unit actually glows green so that you know it's on. So how exactly does it work? Well, when the wires enter the unit, they are totally protected by rubber grommets, so no water, no dust can get in from the back end. The cap itself is a rubber cap that covers the entire unit, and when you take the cap off, the unit automatically turns itself on. And you can see the green light coming through the cap because the cap itself is see-through. So really high quality, keeps out all the water and all of the dust. So here's that socket attached to an all-metal bracket and then installed on an RT Spyder. Follow this link to our webpage to find a charging station that fits your bike.